back in the match in the second half, and unfortunately we conceded this goal in the last minute. I think the players wanted to go to extra time, believing that perhaps Algeria would be tired and we could win this match in the extra time. It was a wonderful match. We lost it, so we are not happy. Congrats to the winners. They were the better team in the first half. We scored own goal. It was unlucky, but we came back like all the time in this tournament. When there was something difficult against us, we could all the time react, and we did also today, coming back on a penalty, making a better second half, but a wonderful free kick from a genie of football made the difference. Last day we won in the last minute against South Africa. Today we lost. That's football.
Thank you very much, moderator. This question goes to the Nigerian coach. Commiserations once again. Tactically and mentally, where did you think your boys got it all wrong? Because they were in that game up to the last second. But tactically, what happened? Is it the wall, or they just couldn't get it right? And to the Algerian coach, congratulations. As a former player, I could see that you were very smart with your tactics today. Against Nigeria, is it a deliberate ploy to be on the fast track right from the beginning to the end? And going by the way Nigeria always played the game, I mean, what did you get right today against Nigeria to be able to clip them in the last second of the game? Thank you.
Yes, I think that Algeria made a better pressing like us, especially in the first half. And in the midfield, they had some very good situations, and we had problems in the back of our defensive midfielders. So they could have some opportunities. Also, the center forward from Algeria give a lot of problems to our center backs, and we could not find our wingers like we did the other day against South Africa. Today they could not come and give crosses and come on the side. So I think they were well organized, and we could not find a solution because the pressing was very strong. It was better in second half, so we had some shooting on the goal. We had this goal. Was unlucky again to run after this own goal, but the team had a good reaction. And I congratulate my players for this big fight against a very good team. We knew that in the tournament it's becoming more and more difficult. And today, in the last minute, they won it. And they deserve it. So we have to work much more. We are young. Our midfield is the youngest one. With Ndidi, Etebo, and Iwobi, they have to learn tactically. They have to make a better communication. But I think with the time, they will do it. Le match aujourd'hui et le résultat confirment ce que j'ai dit à la conférence de presse hier, parce que cette équipe est en progrès. Elle a maintenant un équilibre attaque-défense avec un très bon milieu du terrain qu'elle n'avait pas il y a 1 an et demi ou 2 ans à Ouyo, ni en Algérie. Elle a progressé tactiquement, techniquement, et ça va être un match très serré avec le Sénégal, bien sûr, mais je pense qu'elle est capable de gagner ce tournoi. On a joué le Sénégal en amical, juste avant la compétition. Ça va être un match très serré, mais l'Algérie a toutes les armes pour s'imposer.
Gentleman at the back in the red and black shirt, please give the microphone to him. Thank you very much.
Le résultat reflète ce qu'on a vu sur le terrain, ce qui veut dire que le meilleur a gagné. Nous avons subi en première mi-temps, On n'a pas été assez agressif dans le pressing, on n'était pas capable de sortir bien le ballon. Et en deuxième mi-temps, on a bien réagi par contre. Et j'ai trouvé mon équipe à la hauteur. Et puis ce coup du sort de ce coup franc à la 95e minute a été difficile à digérer pour mon équipe. Mais je pense qu'elle a commis une erreur, c'est de penser qu'il fallait arriver à la prolongation, sachant que l'Algérie avait déjà fait une prolongation il y a 3 jours, et que là, à ce moment-là, on pourrait s'imposer, puisqu'on a vu quand même des signes de fatigue dans l'équipe algérienne en deuxième mi-temps.
Gentleman at the back, blue-black shirt. Yes, you. You're suspecting yourself. I called you for a purpose.
Just a quick question to both coaches. The VAR has been used for the very first time in the African Cup of Nations. What's your view on the use of VAR? It's made a very huge decision today. Do you think it's a good thing or a bad thing? Both coaches.
Coach, right?
The other day it was against us in the game against South Africa. We were waiting long minutes to concede finally a goal. I think the interpretation of the VAR is not easy because this goal was not a pass from my player, it was a deflected ball and the offside position was there. So it's not easy for the people to make a good interpretation of the VAR. Today I did not see yet, like my colleague, what's happening, but I think it's a step for more justice in football. Oui, on va tirer le bilan après le dernier match. Il y a encore une 3e place à conquérir. On va essayer de le gagner. On a une équipe très jeune. Elle est en progrès. Elle a manqué peut-être un petit peu de clairvoyance, un petit peu de pressing, un petit peu de bonne agressivité aujourd'hui. Mais elle est en progrès et je pense que après la Coupe du Monde, qui n'était pas mal, manquait quelques minutes pour se qualifier, on a commencé un travail avec une équipe rajeunie. Elle a de l'avenir, cette équipe, notamment le milieu de terrain qui va progresser, ils sont très jeunes, et essayer de l'améliorer. Je suis toujours sous contrat pendant 1 an, donc on verra après ce qui va se passer.
Thank you very much for coming this evening. Enjoy your night.
Thank you very much.